Hello children, how are you? Children, in this video I am going to discuss the past tense. Okay? Past tense बीता हुआ समय. Okay? कोई काम जो बीते हुए समय में हुआ था. Okay? So past tense is also categorized into 4 types: simple past tense or past indefinite tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. Okay, in this video I am going to discuss about simple past tense. I will tell you how to form a sentence, okay, in simple past tense. I will tell you the structure and how we can form the negative form of simple past tense and also the interrogative form of simple past tense. Okay, so children, let's see. Children, simple past tense और past indefinite tense ये हमको ये बताता है कि कोई काम हुआ था लेकिन निश्चित समय नहीं बताया. ओके, कोई बीते हुए समय में कोई काम हुआ था. ओके, but it is not telling the exact time. Okay, so we use simple past tense or past indefinite tense. So the structure of simple past tense is subject plus verb second form plus object. I told you that there are 3 verbs form. Okay, the first form, okay, the verb second form, and that is the present, past and past participle. Okay, so children, you should know the verb forms, okay, in order to frame sentences in different tense. Okay, there is no shortcut to that, you should know. Okay, so the structure of simple past tense is subject plus verb second form plus object. So I am here with some examples. See, I ate an apple. I is the subject, it is in the first form. In simple past tense we have to use the second form for each and every person, and whether it is singular or plural, that doesn't matter. Okay, so I ate an apple, you ate an apple. Ate is the past form of eat. Okay, eat, ate, eaten. So we are using the second form ate here. Then you ate an apple. He or she or it ate an apple. They or we ate an apple. So you can see that for all the persons and for the singular and plural form we are using the verb second form, and it is same for each and every person and whether it is singular or plural. Okay, so this is the structure of subject plus verb second form plus object. This is the structure of simple past tense. Now I am going to tell you how to form the negative form of the simple past tense. Okay children, in the negative form, okay, negative मतलब जैसे I did not eat an apple. ओके, नहीं, जो सेंटेंस ना, नकारात्मक जिसे कहते हैं. ओके, सो दैट इज द नेगेटिव फॉर्म. एंड द सिंपल पास्ट टेंस, हाउ टू मेक द नेगेटिव फॉर्म इज सब्जेक्ट प्लस क्या लग जाता है, डिड नॉट. डिड के साथ क्या लग जाता है, नॉट. डिड इज द पास्ट और द सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ डू और डज. ओके, सो डिड इज द सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ डू या डज. did plus did and उसके साथ हमको क्या लगाना है, not. So you can write did not plus verbs first form plus object. See children, we have already used here did, so the second verb, जो भी second verb होगा उसका हमको first form ही लेना है. अक्सर मैंने देखा है बहुत सारे जो बच्चे हैं उनसे जब पूछा जाता है कोई sentence you have to form in the past form, so what they write, they say or they write as I did not went to school today, or they answer like this, I did not went to school. Okay, तो आपने already यहाँ पे did use किया है, तो आपको first जो दूसरा verb है आपका उसका first form ही use करना है. So you should say I did not go to school. I did not go to school. Okay, so this is the correct sentence. You should not say I did not went to school. Okay, yesterday. I did not go to school yesterday. This is the correct form. Okay, so whenever you are speaking some sentences or any sentences in English, you should be careful. Okay, like in this, you should be careful that the first verb is been the, already I have used here did, the second form. Okay, so the other verb will be in the first form only. So here are some examples. I did not eat an apple. मैंने यहाँ पे did यहाँ पे use कर लिया है, तो I'm not using ate here. Okay, the first helping verb is already in the second form, so the other verb that we are using, it should be in the first form only. So I did not eat an apple. You did not eat an apple. He or she or it did not eat an apple. We or they did not eat an apple. We should not use they did not eat an apple. That will be wrong. Okay, children. So the negative form is subject plus did not plus verb's first form plus object. Okay. Children, the interrogative form of the simple past tense. Okay. Interrogative means that asks a question. The sentence that asks a question. Okay. So it will be did plus subject plus verb's first form plus object. Children, already we have used here did, the auxiliary in the past form. So the next verb that we will be using, it should be in the first form only. Okay. We should not write like this. Did I eat an apple? That will be wrong. Okay. Did I eat an apple? Because already the auxiliary is in the past form. So we are going to use the second verb that been used in the sentence. It should be in the first form only. Okay. We have to use the first form of the verb. Okay. So the structure of the interrogative form is did plus subject plus verb's first form plus object. Okay. So there are some examples. Like, did I eat an apple? Did you eat an apple? Eat is the first form. So we are using the first form of the verb here. Did he or she or it eat an apple? Did they or we eat an apple? Okay. So this is the way you have to form the interrogative structure of the simple past tense. And children, when speaking any sentence in English, you need to be careful enough that how you are going to speak and what auxiliaries you are using. It is already the auxiliaries been in the past form, so the other verb that you are using in your sentence, it should be in the first form only. So children, if you are fine with the explanations and if you are understanding the concept well, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and kindly hit the like button. Thank you.